Hello lovely beaders. Welcome back to my channel. I made several attempts to make a cute ghost. I'm only showing two, they are the ones that already look acceptable. But in this video I'm only showing the pattern for one because I think it is the best and easiest one. The other one will go on my keychain. This video is part of the 2024 International Halloween Craft Collaboration. I'm excited to join fellow creators and look forward to seeing their videos. I hope you will check them out too. In this video I will show you how I made this ghost. Start by stringing 6 pieces of white seed beads. I use size 15 seed beads because I want my ghost to be small. But if you want a bigger one, you can use size 11 or even size 8 seed beads. The pattern will be the same. Go through the beads again to make a circle with the beads. Step out from one of the beads from the circle. String 2 pieces of white seed beads and go through again the bead from the circle and the next bead from the circle. Repeat this step around. You will have 6 units of 2 pieces of white beads. If it helps, you can count the units during the row. I will count with you. This is the second unit. This is the third unit. This is the fourth unit. This is the fifth unit. This is the last, the sixth unit. You do not need to go through the next bead from the circle, just the 6th bead from the circle. The first row is finished. It is like a snowflakes. You need to step up for the next row. Go through the 6th unit's first bead for the step up. You are stepping out from the 6th unit, but because we reverse our beading route in this row, this will be your first unit from now on. String 2 pieces of white beads and go through the second bead from the first unit and the first bead from the second unit. Repeat this step around. Be aware that you need to string in total of 6 units around. This stitch is called tubular herringbone stitch. The ghost body is mainly made with it. When you string the 6th unit, you need to step up for the next row. Go through the 6th unit's second bead and the 2 beads from the first unit for the step up. This 2 beads are the bead where you step up in this row and the first bead you strung in this row. This row will be similar to the previous one. Be aware that you need to string in total of 6 units around. When you string the 6th unit, you need to step up for the next row. In this row, start to bead the eyes. String 2 pieces of black seed beads for the first and the second unit. If you pull the thread, the beading will not stay flat from this row. For the last 4 units, string white beads. Don't forget to step up for the next row. This row will be almost similar to the last one. String 2 pieces of black seed beads for the first unit. Do not go yet to the second unit. String 1 piece of white seed bead between the first and second unit. This bead will separate the eyes. String 2 pieces of black seed beads for the second unit. For the last 4 units, string white beads. Don't forget to step up for the next row. The eyes are finished. In this row, string only white beads. Don't forget to step up for the next row. In this row, start to bead the mouth. String 1 piece of white and 1 piece of black seed bead for the first unit. String 1 piece of black and 1 piece of white seed bead for the second unit. For the last 4 units, string white beads. Don't forget to step up for the next row. The next row will be similar to the previous one. String 1 piece of white and 1 piece of black seed bead for the first unit. String 1 piece of black and 1 piece of white seed bead for the second unit. For the last 4 units, string white beads. Don't forget to step up for the next row. The face of the ghost is finished. Ain't he cute? In this row, string only white beads. Don't forget to step up for the last row. In the last row, start to bead the frayed edge of the shroud. String 4 pieces of white seed beads and go through the second bead from the first unit. Turn around and go through again the first bead from the first unit and all the beads in that column. You will go up in 3 beads. String 1 piece of white seed bead and go through the beads strung in the second column from the unit. You will go down in 3 beads. Repeat this step on top of every unit. Now that we have some time, I'll take the opportunity to ask you that if you enjoyed this video and find value in the content I share, please consider subscribing to the channel and giving this video a like. My channel and the knowledge I share are completely free, but to keep it going and continue providing valuable content, I need your support. Your engagement helps the channel grow and reach more people, so thank you for being a part of this journey. You can also help by buying me a coffee, or buying a tutorial or a jewelry from me. You can find the links in the description. Thanks for all the help. And the ghost is finished. Weave in the thread and cut it. You need to do at least 3 turnarounds to be safe to cut the thread. Thread your tail, go through some beads with it and cut it. For making something with this ghost you will need a hook on top of it. I used a head pin, but you can use an eye pin or you can make a loop with beads on top of the ghost. I thread the head pin through the ghost, I cut it and tried to make a loop on it. It is not an easy task because the head pin rotates in the hole, and for this the hoop was not round and nice. I opened the loop and put the earring hook in the loop and I closed the loop again. And the ghost earrings are ready to use. Thank you for spending time with me. Don't forget to check out the playlist for the others who joined this collaboration linked in the description for some awesome binge watching. See you next week.